Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll talk about constant in VBA. In previous video, I talked about variable. What is variable in VBA? So those who haven't watched my video, so they can go ahead and check it in the I button. So let's talk about constant. What is constant? So unlike variable always keeps on changing its value, whereas constant does not keep changing its value, right? So if value is fixed, so you can't change it, right? And when you declare any constant, you have to assign its value at the time of declaration, right? So people will ask me, what is the need of constant here in VB? So the answer is, I've given two question over here. Find the area of a circle whose radius is 30 centimeter, and the second is find the annual salary of a person whose monthly salary is 200K. So even we can directly solve this question. But what is the need of this? Because when you are working in complex programming, right, and you need something similar, so you can use it in function. So in a dynamic, you can see those values. So let me give you a very small example here. So let's get into the practical stuff then. So let's solve the first question. So first of all, I'll have to declare constant. So unlike variable, we used to, whenever we declare a variable, we use dim. But in case of constant, we use const. And what is going to be my uh, constant is value of pi, because pi's value will always remain the same, right? So I'm just putting it pi, although I can give it different name, pi or maybe abc, whatever it is. Pi as double, because it will contain decimal values, right? Like 3.3.14, right? And after that, dim radius. Radius is fixed as integer, right? But I haven't assigned variable value directly, unlike constant. If I don't assign any value, so it will give me an error, right? But in case of radius, we can assign it later on. I don't need. And the third one, I'll declare area, because I'm the area of the circle, right? So area, I'm putting name as it is, as double, because it might get decimal values as well, although I don't know the answer. And what I'll do, I'll assign this area equal to, so what is the formula of area of a circle is pi r square, right? So I have already get the value of pi, which is pi, pi. So constant pi r square. R radius is 30, so I'll multiply 30 two times. And although I can use power operator, but since I haven't covered the operator yet, so I'll not use that. I'll not make it more complex for you guys. So I'll keep it simple, 30 into 30. And then I'll store result in message box. Okay. So it will give me the, if I run this now, so I'll get the answer 2826. This is the answer, right? If you look at the second question, I'll put it second. And what I need, first I need total month in a year, right? So that means const month as integer equal to 12. This is going to be constant, because every year has only 12 months. So this is going to be constant. There is no use of making variable, because we don't need to change it, right? Second is monthly salary, which can be changed, right? So this time dim month as of double. And what was the monthly salary in the question is 200K, that means 2 lakh. Okay. And what I need here, I need the annual one, right? Dim annual cell as double, again double. And what will be the annual salary? I'll do calculation here. The sal into, which is the constant. What is constant? T month, total month, right? And then I'll put it in message box. Let's see the answer. So those who are earning 200K per month, their annual package will be 24 lakh. Okay. So these are the two examples I've already covered. And in the previous examples, in the previous video, we talked about multiple question coming in. So how you can make a dynamic program, right? So then these two example come very handy while solving those problems, right? So then you can correlate why it is used. But I'm giving a very generic example here over here. So since we are in a very beginning, so we'll not make things complicated. So I've given these two examples, right? So thanks for watching. If you think these videos are helpful for you, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.